Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
And you as well.
Found it deep in the forest, buried under years of dirt, moss, and fallen leaves. At first glance, it looked almost unrecognizable, a skeleton of metal with rust eating away at its curves. But I knew immediately it was a 1932 Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the rarest cars in the world. And today, I'm going to bring it back to life with a full DIY restoration, all by myself. I start by carefully excavating the car, brushing away layers of dirt and moss. Every piece of metal tells a story, and every dent and scratch is a memory of decades left to the forest. As I finally pull the shell out, I can feel the weight of history and the challenge ahead. This isn't just a car, it's a legend waiting to roar again. The first step is disassembly. I remove the interior, the seats caked with mold, the dashboard eaten by rust, and the controls frozen in time. Each panel, every bolt is documented and set aside. The chassis underneath is heavily corroded, but structurally it holds the promise of restoration. This is where patience meets passion. Next comes the engine. The straight 8 is seized solid, rust has locked it tight, and decades of neglect have left their mark. Using specialized tools, I slowly free each piston and rebuild the components. Bearings, valves, and seals are replaced or machined. After hours of meticulous work, I hear that first tentative turn of the engine, and it's magic. The sound of life returning to metal is intoxicating. With the engine ready, I move to the body. The Atlantic's iconic curves are delicate and unforgiving. I hand-shape aluminum panels to replace the corroded ones, carefully reforming the dorsal fin that defines its silhouette. Every hammer strike and every smooth curve brings it closer to the original elegance. It's not just restoration, it's sculpting history. Painting comes next. I apply layers of metallic Bugatti Blue, each coat sanding and polishing between applications. The car begins to shine, reflecting light as if it's never left the showroom floor. The finish is flawless, a mirror to the care and dedication poured into every step. Inside, the transformation continues. I install camel leather seats, walnut wood trim, and restore the dashboard to pristine condition. Each stitch, each polish tells a story of craftsmanship and devotion. The interior now matches the legendary exterior, blending luxury with precision engineering. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. I take the car out for its first drive in decades. The engine roars to life, smooth and powerful. Every gear shift, every turn reminds me why this car is so revered. From a rusted shell in the forest to a fully restored masterpiece, the journey is complete. This project was a solo effort from start to finish, shot entirely in 4K POV style. Every step, from digging it out of the dirt to hearing it roar again, has been documented to share the satisfaction of restoration. Whether you're a classic car lover, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who enjoys watching rust and decay transform into perfection, this restoration is for you. By watching, you'll learn about disassembly, engine rebuilding, bodywork, painting, and interior craftsmanship. You'll see rust removal techniques, metal shaping, and the delicate touch required to restore automotive history. This is more than a car. It's an educational and inspiring journey for anyone passionate about restoration. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY restoration projects. There are more abandoned legends out there waiting to be saved, and I'll be there to bring them back to life, one car at a time.